Have you heard athletes talk about visualizing their victory before a big competition? It's not just a woo-woo stuff. Visualization, when done with intention, is a powerful tool to reprogram your brain. It boosts confidence and achieve your goals. How visualization actually works. The brain can't tell the difference. When you vividly imagine yourself delivering an amazing presentation, your brain processes much like the actual event. Neural pathways get laid and it starts to feel more familiar and achievable. Anxiety dial down. By pre-living a scary scenario in your mind's eye, the real one feels less intimidating. The focus factor. Visualizing your desired outcome primes your mind to spot opportunities and take action towards it. It's like you have an internal GPS turned on. Getting specific visualization that works. Multisensory. It's not just about the visuals. Imagine the sounds, the smell. How would it feel to be succeeded? The more vivid, the better it would be. Positive and process. Yes, visualize achieving the goal, but also visualize the steps leading to it. Studying, practicing any steps that could lead you towards your goal. This makes it less magical thinking, more grounded confidence. Emotions are key. Don't just picture perfection. Imagine feeling proud, relieved, joyful. This trains your brain to associate the success with the good vibes. When and how to use it. The confident mindset. A few minutes daily visualizing yourself as already naturally confident in various areas. Performance prep. Before a presentation, job interview, difficult conversation, just vividly imagine yourself succeeding. The long game. Visualize your bigger goals as if already achieved. This helps guide your decisions in the present. For example, your goal is running a 5K. Visualize crossing the finish line triumphantly, the crowd cheering, but also visualize those tough training runs, sweat dropping, but pushing through. Each run builds the confidence to make the finish line a reality. Visualization and action is a powerful combination. It's important to note visualization isn't a replacement for the hard work. It's just a tool to enhance the work you put in. Think of it as the rocket fuel for your confidence. Troubleshooting and skepticism. Can't see the images? Not everyone has a strong mind's eye. Focus on embodied feeling. How does confident success feels in your body? Feels cheesy at first. That's normal. Like any skill, consistency makes it even more efficient and effective.